Good morning everyone and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. In today's video, I'll show you my recipe for making chickpea hummus, a dish I love and can't live without anymore. I make it a couple of times a week in large quantities, and it's always in my fridge ready to accompany snacks, lunches, or dinners. To make it, we'll need 250 grams of pre-cooked chickpeas, the juice of a lemon or lime, a peeled garlic clove, a generous tablespoon of tahini sauce or even two, which is nothing more than a smooth sesame seed paste. You can easily make it by blending sesame seeds until they become a smooth and homogeneous paste. Or you can find it ready-made in organic supermarkets or oriental stores. You'll also need 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a bit of water if you want creamier hummus. I didn't add it. Salt and pepper. Now, let's pour all the ingredients into a blender or food processor. The difference between the two is that a blender is designed to create smoother textures, which is what I recommend if you prefer hummus without any pieces. Personally, I like both textures. Once you've obtained a creamy consistency, your hummus is practically ready. Pour it into a bowl. Flatten it a bit with the back of a spoon, and finish by decorating the hummus with whatever you like. I added a bit more black pepper, olive oil, basil, and sweet paprika. It pairs well with any ingredient. For example, I prepared this bruschetta. Regularly, the hummus will stay good for up to 5 days in your fridge in an airtight container. Alternatively, you can also freeze it, and you'll be surprised at how the texture remains unchanged. Well, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Leave me your opinion on the hummus and give it a like. See you very soon here on the Green Kitchen channel in the next video.